हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप यू ऑल डूइंग गुड। ओके, तो मैंने पिछले व्लॉग में बताया था कि हम अपनी वेनम के साथ वर्ल्ड मोटरसाइकिल डे इवेंट पर जाएंगे, बट एट द नेक्स्ट मोमेंट आई वाजंट फीलिंग गुड। तो इसलिए उसी दिन सुबह मैंने एक स्टोरी लगाई थी इंस्टाग्राम पर कि इफ एनीवन वांट्स द पास कैन डीएम मी। बहुत सारे लोगों ने मैसेज किया था, बट वन गाय ही मैसेज मी स्टोरी लगाने के कुछ ही टाइम बाद ही मैसेज मी एंड ही वाज वन ऑफ माय क्लोज फ्रेंड्स। तो आई गेव हिम द पास and thank you so much Eshwar for the clips which is got from there so that we can make a vlog. इसीलिए मैंने उसे पास दे दिया था and this is what we've got from there. One t-shirt इस पर event का printed है और back side पर there's some riders thing printed. So there's one notebook which Eshwar had won in some event and he's given it to me. And yeah, there are some badges, 2 badges, stickers, and ये कुछ breakfast का card है. We'll open this and see. In that cover we got one C8 का coupon code. So if you want the C8 tires, we can use it. We'll get 15% off. And this is one of the badge, and one is from the ABC India, and one breakfast sticker, one more sticker, and this is the ABC Association of Biking Community sticker. That was what we had inside the packet. So anyways, चलते हैं और थोड़े clips देखते हैं, because मैंने भी देखा था बहुत सारे सुपर बाइक्स भी आए थे, तो इस बार नहीं हुआ. नेक्स्ट टाइम we'll try, we'll see to that, we'll go next. Bro, rep.
purpose is not to stop and fine, but to note down the violation with evidence and send the challan to their respective addresses or to the respective mobile phones which are connected with those registered numbers, registered vehicle numbers. That's what we are aiming at, Bengaluru Traffic Police.
Well, that's it for this video, and I want to thank once again Eshwar and other mates from my biking communities who had sent me those clips. Well, thank you each and everyone who had provided me with the clips so that I can make a vlog and even you all can watch it. And yeah, event के दिन हम ये t-shirt नहीं पहन पाए. This was the t-shirt. We're wearing it now. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and share the video, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बने रहिए. Stay tuned.